Everyone, so this is our project Smart Forest Management, Anti-Smuggling and Environmental Monitoring using IoT. The main motive of this project is to reduce smuggling of trees and forest fires. So in this project we are using different types of sensors, that is PIR sensor, MEM sensor and MQ2 sensor, that is fire sensor or smoke sensor, and GPS and GSM where the power is generated from the solar panels. So here we are using Arduino Uno. In this Arduino Uno, all the inputs are given to this Arduino Uno and the output will be generated by LCD. Why we are using here is this is prototype, so that's why we are using LCD to display the output, where the MEM sensor is used to detect the height of the tree. Whenever anybody will cut down the tree, then it will generate, then the vibrations will be detected from this sensor. Next, PIR sensor, it will be motion detection sensor. If any animal or human will be interacted there, it will be generated. Next, this is the metal detector, where it will detect the metals. Whenever cut down the trees will be happen, this sensor will be alerted. Where smoke sensor, this sensor will be alerted whenever the smoke or any fire will be, any anonymous smoke will be detected, it will be alerted to the higher authorities. This information all generated to higher authorities through GPS and GSM, where they will be take the action. After applying the input, this is the working condition of our circuit. So we are using the IoT technology, so we are storing the data in the web service, that is IoT web service ThingSpeak. So thank you.